Montrealers love the mountain, and today we're climbing it together. Welcome to Parc du Mont Royal, a green escape designed by the same genius behind New York's Central Park. And trust me, this isn't just a walk. It's a little adventure right in the middle of the city. We are starting here on Avenue des Pins Ouest, near Rue Peel. And yes, this is the infamous climb. About 10 to 15 minutes of steps and a dirt trail that'll get your heart pumping. Don't worry, there are plenty of shady maples to keep you cool. Take your time, it's worth the burn, because what's coming up will blow you away. And here it is, Belvédère Kondiaronk. This terrace is named after a Huron-Wendat chief who helped broker the Great Peace of Montreal back in 1701. Look at this view. You can see downtown, the St. Lawrence River, even the biosphere at Parc Jean-Drapeau. On a clear day, it feels like you can see forever. This, my friends, is your reward for that climb. Just a few steps away is the Chalet du Mont Royal, and this place is a gem. Built in the 1930s during the Great Depression, it has this French Beaux-Arts lodge vibe. Big stone facade, tall windows, vaulted wooden beams, and these quirky little carved wooden squirrels hiding in the decor. Inside, huge paintings tell the story of Montreal's past by artists like Fortin and Bauduas. Grab a coffee, take a breath, and just soak in that old world charm. From here, follow Chemin Olmsted north for about 600 meters. And you'll find one of Mont Royal's most iconic sites, the Mount Royal Cross. This 31-meter steel giant has stood here since 1924. At night, 158 LEDs light it up, sometimes even purple when there's a papal interrena. Fun fact, there's also a time capsule nearby filled with children's dreams for Montreal in the year 2142. Now for one of my personal favorites, the Camillien Houde Belvédère. Locals call this one of the most romantic views in the city. Just look at it. Treetops rolling into the horizon, and the eastward panorama of Montreal sparkling in the distance. It's the perfect spot to pause, snap some photos, or just be in the moment. Heading back south, you'll come across Maison Smith. This stone beauty dates back to 1858 and usually houses exhibitions about the park's history and conservation. It was under refurbishment when I visited, but normally it's also a great spot to grab a snack or pick up trail info at the visitors center. And here we are, Beaver Lake, or Lac aux Castors. This quirky four-leaf clover-shaped lake is a favorite with locals. In summer, you'll find rowboats gliding along the water. In winter, ice skaters taking over the rink. And those sunny meadows? Perfect for picnics, or just sprawling out with a good book. There's even a cafe if you need a drink or a bite before you call it a day. And that's Mont Royal, Part workout, part history lesson, and part soul-soothing escape. 2 hours, 6 kilometers, and a whole new way to see Montreal. So, when are you climbing your mountain?